What's going on, guys? Excuse me. I'm just gonna do this voiceover of this video because I don't know what happened to the voice. Um, but I had bought this 2002 Chevy Tahoe. I got it just like this, as you see it. This is the exact day that I'm bringing it home. I actually already sold this vehicle, but like I said, I was making a video. But I don't know what happened with the voice. So yeah, this is a 2002 Chevy Tahoe. It has 22-inch rims. I got it just like this. I'm showing the tires and everything. All the tires are pretty decent. I got this truck for $2,000. Like 2028, I think was the exact number. So I think that was a pretty decent deal. I winded up selling the truck for $2,400. So only made a couple of bucks off this one as well. I only had it 2 days though. Actually sold it yesterday, but yeah, it was a pretty decent truck. As you see, I'm showing the interior and everything. It was third row seating. It had 235,000 miles on it, 5.3 Vortec. As you can see, Tahoe, nice and clean leather. Well, it could have been cleaned up a little bit more, but it was a decent, decent truck. It rode excellent, no overheating, no check engine light. As you can see right there, that's the 235. Sunroof, everything works. Sunroof works. It was a real nice truck. I wish I could have made more money off of it, but like I say, I don't know what's going on right now. See all the windows working, everything, but cars is moving kind of slow. On the last, couple of cars, I was only able to make a couple of $100 off each of them. I'm not really into holding stuff, so I don't really hold stuff till tax time and all that. I just rather just make a couple of bucks off of it and keep it moving. I don't got a lot of space and stuff to be storing cars, so, I try to keep them, try to get them in and out. But in the video right now, I'm actually showing that the AC, it only worked from those vents up there. It did not work from the vent right there that I'm trying to play with right now. I don't know why. I think it's something with the switch, but the guy who bought it, he actually had another truck that he was going to take parts off of, so he already knew what it was, some kind of switch inside, so... But this was a nice truck. It was a 2002 Chevy Tahoe. As of right now, I don't got nothing else for sale. Just my 2003 Honda Accord that you guys seen me buy from Chicago.